Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something many of us take for granted, our cookware. We all love the ease of non-stick pans, but there might be a hidden danger lurking beneath that slick surface. Non-stick cookware often uses a coating called Teflon. While Teflon itself is generally considered safe at normal cooking temperatures, the issue lies in a chemical used in its manufacturing process, perfluorooctanoic acid, or PFOA. PFOA is a forever chemical, meaning it breaks down very slowly and can accumulate in our bodies and environment. Studies have linked PFOA exposure to various health concerns, including increased cholesterol, certain cancers, and even developmental problems in children. Yikes! So, what's a safer alternative? Enter stainless steel cookware. Stainless steel offers excellent durability and even heat distribution, making it perfect for searing, sautéing, and everything in between. The best part? No harmful chemicals. Plus, with proper care, your stainless steel pans can last a lifetime, saving you money in the long run. Ready to ditch the Teflon and upgrade to safer cooking? We've got you covered. In the video description below, you'll find links to 3 different stainless steel cookware sets, ranging from budget-friendly to top-of-the-line. Choose the one that best fits your needs and cooking style. Remember, a healthy kitchen starts with healthy cookware. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. Until next time, happy and safe cooking.